Hello guys, welcome back once again. Today I have some fun quizzes for you. So in first question you have to find the bird from given image. You have 10 seconds to complete it. Your time begins now. If you completed first question correctly, then comment a heart. Your next question is to find number 7 from given image. If you are enjoying this video, then tell me in comments. Your next question is where is banana in this image? I think it will be a bit tough to find it. Let's see what you can do. I hope you had liked my video. See you tomorrow.